Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into a company that is trying to make a splash, and let's just say they are getting ready for a big dive with some structural changes to prepare for a new offering. So what is brewing at the Alkaline Water Company Incorporated? Well, they've just filed a report that tells us they are shaking things up to get ready for a significant fundraising event known as a Regulation A offering. This isn't just any business update, it's a strategic move ahead of trying to grab more investment. Make sure you are subscribed and don't forget to join our Discord community linked in the description for more in-depth discussions. Alright, so this is a current report filed because something important just happened. Think of it like a company shouting out big news that investors need to know right away. The company we are looking at is the Alkaline Water Company Incorporated. They are based in Nevada, though their main operations are in Arizona. Now here is a little detail that tells us a lot. They are checking the box that says they are an emerging growth company. What does that mean in simple terms? It means they are a relatively young company, and because of that, they get to follow some slightly different, often less strict rules for reporting their financial information. It's like getting a bit of a break while you are still growing. The main reason they filed this report is under other events. They announced what they are calling a capital structure reset and strategic alignment ahead of its Regulation A offering. Now, this is where the real juice is. Everything important they are saying about this big announcement is in an attached document, an exhibit, labeled 99.1. Unfortunately, this Form 8K itself doesn't have the juicy financial details we usually dig into. It's more of a notification that a major announcement has been made and the details are in that exhibit. This section just lists the exhibits they are providing with this report. So the crucial document here is the press release from the 23rd of December, 2025. This is where the company is laying out exactly what this capital structure reset means and why they are doing it ahead of their Regulation A offering, because this 8K is primarily an announcement of another document. The real deep dive into the numbers and strategy would be within that press release, Exhibit 99.1. This 8K is like the headline of the newspaper, and the press release is the full article. Since this filing is more of an announcement and doesn't contain the detailed financial tables we love to dissect, we can't analyze specific numbers from within this 8K itself. However, we can infer what a capital structure reset and a Regulation A offering typically signal. A capital structure reset often means a company is reorganizing its debt and equity. They might be converting debt into stock, issuing new shares, or making other significant changes to their balance sheet. The goal is usually to improve their financial health, make themselves more attractive to investors, or get ready for a new phase of growth. The Regulation A offering is a way for companies to raise capital from the public. It is often referred to as a mini IPO because it allows companies, especially smaller ones, to offer securities to the public without the full rigor of a traditional IPO. This is a big deal for a company, signaling they are looking to expand and need significant funding to do so. This filing tells us the Alkaline Water Company Incorporated is actively positioning itself for growth. They are clearing the decks, so to speak, to make sure their financial house is in order before asking the public for more money. What this means for you as an investor or someone interested in the company is that big changes are likely underway. They are preparing for a significant injection of capital which could fuel expansion, new product development, or market penetration. However, it also means that the waters might be a bit unsettled during this transition period. The fact that they are an emerging growth company and are using regulation suggests they are likely looking for funding to scale up operations, possibly to compete more aggressively in the beverage market, which is notoriously competitive. Companies in this space often need substantial capital for marketing, distribution, and production to gain market share. Looking forward, the success of this Regulation A offering and the effectiveness of their capital structure reset will be key indicators of the company's future trajectory. We will be keeping a very close eye on their subsequent filings to see the impact of this strategic move. Now, looking at these moves from a higher level, the Alkaline Water Company Incorporated is taking a proactive approach to its financial future. They are clearly aware of what they need to do to grow, and they are executing a plan to get there. The potential risks include the success of the offering itself will they raise the capital they need and how they will deploy that capital effectively. But the opportunity is clear: to fund significant expansion and potentially capture a larger piece of the market. Alright, that is our quick decode of this 8K filing. It's more of a heads up that big news is coming rather than the news itself. We are waiting for that press release to drop the real details. What are your thoughts on companies resetting their structure before a big offering like this? Let us know in the comments below if you found this breakdown helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more corporate insights. And don't forget to join our Discord community, linked in the description, to keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next decode.